Indonesia project. 6 kilowatt solar system used for office roofs. 450W solar panel, half cut 12 pieces. 2 in series and 6 in parallel. Anodized aluminum alloy frame. 25 years performance warranty. 12 years warranty on materials and workmanship. .48 volts to 50 a lithium battery, one piece. 6 in 1 out. PV combiner box, one set. The PV combiner can simplify wiring between solar panel and solar charge controller. Protections to solar controller. .6 kilowatts 48 volts LS solar inverter, 100 or amped input, one piece. Pure sine wave output, low frequency solar inverter. Supports diesel or gasoline generator. Adapt any tough electricity situation. It's cloudy now, and the sun is blocked out. Now, you can see the LCD screen display. If you have any question, please contact Xindun.